Good afternoon, MMM. My name is Rianel B. Abelia from Western Samar. So I am one of the active participants of this MMM community. So last November 25, I provided help in the amount of 7,000 pesos under MMM Mining Light. Then last November 29, I got help in the amount of 7,700. So there were participants assigned. Okay. So the participants assigned are Bianca in the amount of 2,300, Gilbert in the amount of 2,200, and Raquel Dangal in the amount of 3,200. So all in all, I got help in the amount of 7,700 last November 29. Thank you to all the participants of MMM community, to all the participants assigned to my GH, and especially to Sir Sergi Mabrodi. Thank you.